Okay. So I watched back the video we took the other night, and I realized that I don't know why, but this keeps like going like making like weird. It's not clear. It keeps like whenever I run it like keeps making noise, and I don't think it's because of like the top or anything. I just think it's been doing that this whole time, Loki, and I don't know why. Like you need to like you'll listen to it and you'll hear it like clicking against me when I'm running. Whereas for you, it doesn't do that, and I don't know why, but it's whatever. I'm hoping maybe now that it doesn't have the thing, it might.
Maybe it won't do it.
I don't know.
Also, the reason why I was saying, I was like, oh my god, this shit's so fire, is because the other speaker that I just bought, it's the same color as this, but it's the clip.
Yeah, I know.
It also has this where we can sync them.
Oh.
That's what make that shit's fire, because we did it with my sister, because she got the other one.
I didn't realize you had that on you. I thought you only had the clip, so I was gonna say just grab the clip. That's
No,
what,
I
didn't know
came
you had
from
that.
work.
Yeah. So we just finished them.
I love them.
We just finished a match. We won 8-5, which is fine. We played with people that I know. Well,
They're
I
not
know
even
one of
in our
them.
division, so
Yeah.
I call that a good score.
And they moved up a division this year. We're in a division lower than them, so suck it. But I like them. They were so fun. I wish we had recorded it, but you know.
I feel like we would have told them, they would have been okay with it.
Yeah, they would have been like, "Where's our mics?"
Yeah.
We give one to them and one to us. One to Tina. She'd be so funny.
Tina? Oh yeah.
Yeah. So we won. We're gonna finish our game from the other night because we didn't really break a sweat. If I'm being honest with you, and it's also cold, so it's like you're not breaking a sweat. Yeah, it was like 90 the other night when we were playing, and now it's like 60 tonight, and it's like freezing, low key.
New England.
Right. So we ended at 5. It was my serve.
Okay.
You're going down. I'm going out.
Okay.
I rewatched the video.
This is a tennis video, but I swam 2,100 meters today. Alright. That's it. I need to change the playlist because I don't have.
I know. I want to add a song to it. I was gonna add it earlier, but then I forgot. But now that we're thinking about it, I want to add it. Also, it's besides the fact that I'm a little cold, it's so nice out.
Yeah. Once you get moving, it's.
Yeah. Like it's fine.
The last time I put me and Anna's playlist. Of course, that song would go. I feel like I've gotten better. I've gotten kind of used to it.
Yeah.
You know
I think so too. I think the wind wasn't really helpful today at all.
No.
I want the sun. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe a little higher, but you could. Yeah.
Is that I can do it from my watch?
I know, but it's just inconsistent. Like you. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay. I'm on ad side. So we're at 5. I need to add more songs to this playlist. Okay. 5. Nice shot. We didn't really run on the last match, so I'm like, my legs are sore from not running. I feel like we didn't run that much. It was a good game though. They're who I wanted to play. Sorry. You remember at the beginning of the season when we hadn't played at all and I was like, I want to play them? It was them. And I knew it would have been good because Tina has a slice and like, I've never really seen Marietta play, but oh. Yeah, okay. 5. bad serve. Second. Drop in. No. Yeah, that was a bad hit on my part. And I know my racket needs to be strong. But I want to get a new one, and so I'm just kind of waiting for it to crack. It's kind of cracked. But I don't know. Gotta do what I gotta do. What? That's what? 2 serves. You gotta get it in. My serves are pretty good tonight. Can I have that ball? I know, because I was like, I'm like, what do I have to lose right now? I knew as long as we played well on the court, we could beat them. So, but they're good. I like they're good people. Yeah. Not only that, they're yappers. We're playing we're playing us, but in a different division. I was gonna tell you that. It's literally just us. Us when we get older. Anyway. 5. Okay, now I can't serve. Second. No, you're just going flat through. You're not coming. Yeah. We can do a basket soon if you want. But just try it. I mean, like, just try, like, start working on it. 6. That was so bad. That was so far from me. 7. 7. Nope. Oh. We need that. What? Damn, oh wait, that's crazy. 'Like the sink? What else? 8. Second. No, 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 no. In. In. I don't know why I put it like this. It was in. 7. 7. I'm like not moving my legs. Nice shot. That was a crazy shot. Yep. Yeah. I don't know why he didn't just wait for you to get out. Nice shot. I could have that. He pisses me off for her. I'm so sorry. Sorry. What's the score? I was in. Oh my god, her saying the ball thing, I was like, nobody's fucking ever noticed that before. And I know she is very smart. She's a smart woman. But her calling me out, I was like, I felt vulnerable. I was like, I felt like somebody like took a piece from me. I was like, that's weird. And the fact that she also does that is so funny because I know her. I know. I need that. I need that. Five. Oh. Second. Nice shot. Fuck. This is why we don't play on a middle court. Back up. I think it's 4. Oh. 5. Second. The Giver by Chapel Roan. I don't remember adding this. I probably did, but I don't remember it. See, that was good. That was a good backhand. You went through, I could see it.
Yeah.
That was a good point, though. No, I know, but you got them, and like my shots were like pretty good. I know.
You probably would have done good.
Bro, did you see them playing? I don't know. It depends. But yeah, look, the thing is, I don't know if they play on Thursdays, maybe. But if they play on Monday or Wednesday, I can't. 5. Nope. That was way too close to me. Second? Can you skip this? Can you skip it? Four. Oh, I thought you were going to get it. Okay. Yeah, you didn't get it. I'm putting it right up on. That's where I'm putting it. Oh. You got that shit on camera. Four? Second? Oh, fuck. Where's the third? Okay. I need to get this back. I projected I was gonna win. But if I can get her. Oh, no. I don't need it. It was really low to the ground. You know, I was thinking about that, but you can hear it at the same time. 4? Okay. Second.
Good one. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. Five. Not pronating. Whatever. Second. That was bullshit. Your point. I don't know. Yeah. That was 5. Because I got 2, not 1. You were close. Okay. Oh, that's good. No, I know, but how far do you have to swim?
No, it's just 5 miles.
Oh,
And I already did a mile.
yeah, that's not bad.
It starts in August. But if I want the medal, I have to raise up to $25.
That's not bad.
It's not. I set up the whole GoFundMe thing. The goal is 250.
Yeah.
But for me to get the medal, it's 25. Not bad.
5. That was behind me. Second. What the hell was that?
I thought you were giving me the ball.
No, girl. I was giving you the ball to hit. Back to me.
Ooh.
What? We can go soon, but like not tonight, obviously. But I'm gonna play one more point and see what this ends up doing.
I would order because I know what she likes. I would order it and meet her here.
Yeah.
And I always have hope that he'll think of that because he's done it twice.
6. Spring is fucking me up. First the fucking lights, now the rain. I know.